To continue with the analysis of the LDPE sample, you can use the Microsoft Excel software. The spreadsheet software will help with analyzing the values obtained by referring to the mathematical model known as the Dugdale model. First, import your Mach1 raw data acquired through the MoveRelative function in a worksheet. Compute the technical strain of the sample referring to the reported L0. Compute the length of the plastic deformation area with equation 2 of the Dugdale model, where A is the variable parameter, defined as equation 1. L-def is the length of the plastic deformation area, L-cut is the incision length, sigma infinity is the stress applied to the specimen, and sigma yield is the yield strength of the material. With the values obtained, you can plot the curve for L-def versus strain of your sample and insert it into your report. Report the L-def value at the 10-second. Analysis of the skin sample solely relies on the CorrelATE software. There is no data to compute on the Microsoft Excel software. You can refer to the previous video of the series to view the procedure. That's it for lab module on digital image correlation for Mode 1 edge crack testing intention. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Through this module, the student should now be able to assimilate the key concept of DIC, the behaviors of conventional and biological materials when in tension, and the use of the Dugdale model. If you require more information, please visit our website at www.biomomentum.com. Take care.